Hey, greetings. Welcome to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right, and a link to social media will be posted in the video description. So, right, to say, hopefully I can cancel this out. No, I'm not. No, I can't really do that. All right. So, what I want you to focus on, actually, let me go ahead and remove that out. All right, looks like it's difficult for me to remove. However, I just wanted to point out today that I looked at the script type module, and for the labs, what I wanted to do was I wanted to be able to use this in a directive, right? So with render it too. So what we have here, I actually posted on Twitter. Oh, what we have here on Twitter, I actually posted this instead, right? What you want to go ahead and do is you want to have a script's body, right? You want to use the tick so you can have multi-line strings, right? And now we want to provide is you want to set the property, not the attribute. You want to go ahead and set the property to the script body. So this way it's going to be able to work. And now with Web Vitals, definitely it's a preview to my next video. Always want to defer your scripts. You want them to load and then build them up. You want to load asynchronously and then you want to build them after your page is loading for great core Web Vitals. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Links to social media will be posted in the video description.